Get ready to test your eyes and trick your brain with 44 mind-bending optical illusions. Which of these two lines is actually longer? Is it A, the top one, B, the bottom one, or C, they are equal? It's C, they are equal. Arrowheads trick your brain into misjudging length. What shape does your brain see in the center of this image? Is it A, a circle, B, a triangle, or C, a square? It's B, a triangle. Pac-Man shapes trick you into seeing boundaries. What two things can you see in this classic illusion? Is it A, two faces or a vase, B, a cat or a dog, or C, a tree or a bird? It's A, two faces or a vase. It's a classic figure ground illusion. What happens when you look at this wireframe cube for too long? Is it A, it flips direction, B, it turns bright red, or C, it disappears completely? It's A, it flips direction. Without depth cues, your brain constantly switches. Which orange center circle is larger? Is it A, the left one, B, the right one, or C, they are identical? It's C, they are identical. Surrounding circles distort how you judge scale. What color are squares A and B? Is it A, different shades of gray, B, white and black, or C, the exact same gray? It's C, the exact same gray. The shadow tricks your brain into compensating. This dancer silhouette can appear to spin in which direction? Is it A, only clockwise, B, only counterclockwise, or C, both directions? It's C, both directions. A flat silhouette has no depth clues. Are the two vertical lines straight or curved? Is it A, perfectly straight, B, curved outward, or C, curved inward? It's A, perfectly straight. Radiating background lines make them look bent. Which two animals are hidden in this famous drawing? Is it A, a cat and a dog, B, a duck and a rabbit, or C, a lion and a tiger? It's B, a duck and a rabbit. Perspective determines which animal you see first. How many prongs are at the end of this impossible object? Is it A, 2 or 3, B, exactly 4, or C, only 1? It's A, 2 or 3. This impossible object splits your perspective. Do the two diagonal line segments align with each other? Is it A, yes, they align, B, no, they miss, or C, one is curved? It's A, yes, they align. The dark column tricks your eyes. Are the horizontal lines in this pattern parallel or tilted? Is it A, perfectly parallel, B, extremely tilted, or C, curving inward? It's A, perfectly parallel. Staggered tiles make them look crooked. Is this pattern made of a true spiral or concentric circles? Is it A, concentric circles, B, a single spiral, or C, interlocking squares? It's A, concentric circles. Overlapping arc segments trick your eye. If you stares at the center, what color does the running gap turn? Is it A, bright green, B, dark blue, or C, solid yellow? It's A, bright green. Your eyes create a green afterimage. What makes these perfectly parallel lines look tilted? Is it A, short diagonal lines, B, changing colors, or C, hidden circles? It's A, short diagonal lines. The crossing angles distort your perception. Why is this famous triangle called an impossible object? Is it A, it cannot exist in 3D, B, it has 4 sides, or C, it cannot be drawn? It's A, it cannot exist in 3D. It is physically impossible to construct. What shape is this optical illusion room actually constructed in? Is it A, a trapezoid, B, a perfect square, or C, a round cylinder? It's A, a trapezoid. One corner is actually much further back. If you stare at the center of this blurry image, what happens? Is it A, the colors fade away, B, the colors spin fast, or C, it turns black and white? It's A, the colors fade away. Your brain ignores unchanging visual stimuli. What color dots do you see blinking at the intersections? Is it A, dark gray or black, B, bright neon green, or C, red and blue? It's A, dark gray or black. It tricks your peripheral vision. Which of these two identical curved arches looks larger? Is it A, the bottom one, B, the top one, or C, they look identical? It's A, the bottom one. Aligning different edges tricks your brain. If you step back from this portrait of Albert Einstein, who do you see? Is it A, Marilyn Monroe, B, Abraham Lincoln, or C, Charlie Chaplin? It's A, Marilyn Monroe. It combines fine and broad details. What two figures can you find in this classic 1915 drawing? Is it A, a young girl and an old lady, B, a king and a knight, or C, a cat and a mouse? It's A, a young girl and an old lady. Both are hidden in the lines. What shape do the red straight lines appear to do in this illusion? Is it A, bow inward, B, bend outward, or C, cross each other? It's A, bow inward. Converging lines warp your perception. If you stare at this colored flag and then look at white, what colors appear? Is it A, red, white, and blue, B, pink and yellow, or C, purple and green? It's A, red, white, and blue. Tiring color receptors leaves an after image. What dynamic angle must you view this pavement drawing from to see it in 3D? Is it A, a very sharp side angle, B, directly from above, or C, with closed eyes? It's a very sharp side angle. This technique is called anamorphosis. If you move your head closer to the center, what do these rings do? Is it A, spin in opposite directions, B, turn completely white, or C, grow larger and smaller? It's A, spin in opposite directions. Tilted squares trick your visual cortex. Why does the upper yellow line look longer than the lower one? Is it A, converging perspective lines, B, contrast in color brightness, or C, its thicker stroke width? It's A, converging perspective lines. Your brain assumes it is further away. If you move your eyes across this pattern, what illusion occurs? Is it A, the center circle floats, B, the colors change, or C, it turns into a cube? It's A, the center circle floats. Contrasting patterns trick eye movement sensors. After staring at a moving waterfall, stationary rocks appear to do what? Is it A, drift upward, B, spin clockwise, or C, fade to gray? It's A, drift upward. Your brain adapts to the downward motion. What occurs when this black and white disc spins rapidly? Is it A, you see faint colors, B. It becomes transparent. Or C. The pattern disappears. It's A. You see faint colors. Rapid spinning triggers different color receptors. How must you look at this repetitive pattern to reveal the hidden 3D shape? Is it A. Focus behind the image, B. Close one eye, or C. Tilt the screen 90 degrees? It's A. Focus behind the image. Diverging your eyes aligns the pattern. What causes this flat grid pattern to bulge out like a sphere? Is it A. Misaligned tiny squares, B. Multicolored circles, or C. Spiraling lines? It's A. Misaligned tiny squares. High contrast corners trick your brain. Which inner circle looks larger? Is it A. The one in the small circle, B. The one in the large circle, or C. They look identical? It's A. The one in the small circle. The outer ring changes perspective. What triggers these static snake-like circular patterns to spin? Is it A. Eye movements and blinking, B. High screen brightness, or C. Slow frame rates? It's A. Eye movements and blinking. Saccades mimic real motion signals. Which shape seems to appear in the blank spaces of these intersecting lines? Is it A. Glowing circles, B. Floating squares, or C. Starbursts? It's A. Glowing circles. Line gaps create self-luminous illusions. What changes the perceived color of these identical horizontal stripes? Is it A. The color of the crossing lines, B. The thickness of the border, or C. The zoom level of the image? It's A. The color of the crossing lines. Foreground stripes tint the background. A textured circle looks less contrasty when placed against which background? Is it A. A high contrast texture, B. A plain white background, or C. A plain black background? It's A. A high contrast texture. Backgrounds reduce perceived foreground contrast. What makes two identical gray blocks look like different shades? Is it A. A gradient edge between them, B. A colored background, or C. Their diagonal alignment? It's A. A gradient edge between them. The edge gradient tricks your brain. How long can this color afterimage effect last after staring at red and green grids? Is it A. Up to several hours or days, B. Exactly 3 seconds, or C. Only 15 minutes? It's A. Up to several hours or days. This is a long-lasting adaptation. What happens to your brain when exposed to a completely uniform field of light? Is it A. It hallucinates shapes, B. It shuts down sleep cycles, or C. It sees ultra-sharp details? It's A. It hallucinates shapes. Sensory deprivation causes the brain to hallucinate. How does a swinging pendulum appear to move with a dark filter over one eye? Is it A. It orbits in 3D, B. It stops completely, or C. It turns bright yellow? It's A. It orbits in 3D. Delayed visual signals create depth. Why can't you see your own eyes move in a mirror? Is it A. The brain blocks the visual input, B. The mirror light delays, or C. Your eyes move too slowly? It's A. The brain blocks the visual input. Saccadic suppression prevents motion blur. What path does a single dot follow inside this rotating circle illusion? Is it A. A straight line, B. A perfect spiral, or C. A wavy zigzag? It's A. A straight line. Each dot moves only back and forth. When a square rotates behind a mask with 4 slits, what does it appear to do? Is it A, breathe and expand, B, turn into a circle, or C, split into 4 squares? It's A, breathe and expand. Fluctuating edge visibility tricks your brain. How did you do? Under 15 is a start, over 30 is sharp, and a perfect score makes you a genius. Comment your score and subscribe.